Vijay, can you tell our audience something about you? Where are you from and what do you do?
Sir, my name is Vijay Meena and I am from Rajasthan. At the time, I am doing a job as a teacher. I am posted currently, at the time, I am posted in government upper primary school in Nagaur. When I start my job, that time, when sometimes I am teaching a student, then that time I am facing many difficulties like that. Uh, I don't properly don't understand students and not satisfied. But when I join a excellent academy. That time I get get of um, get most of knowledge, and at that time I am comfortable
All right.
with my students.
That's very good. So, as you are a teacher at a government school, so I think that students are very lucky where teachers like you are really putting in your hard work and want to deliver the best out of you. I'm really proud of you, Vijay. Keep that up. And as you have joined only our online classes, so it is also your hard work. So, how about the videos that we share with you and the classes that we take? Do you think they are very good and helpful?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Because sir, I achieve from you confidence. When I joined this class, that time I never speak a single word in English. But I met Narendra Via that time. They told me a group when I started my conversation in English, and you see me. I when I start in class that time I speak only Hindi,
that's right.
and you told you speak English, but uh, uh, when you can say at that time I face off my nervousness, and at that time I am feeling comfortable.
That's very proud. I'm really proud of you, Vijay, and that's very, I would say very sincere of you. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये कहते हुए कि आप जैसे लोग जो एक पद पर हैं लेकिन फिर भी अपने आप को हमेशा आगे बढ़ाते रहना चाहते हैं और हमेशा बेस्ट डिलीवर करना चाहते हैं और इसी वजह से हमारी कंट्री एक ग्रेट कंट्री है. So thank you very much, Vijay, for taking out your time and talking to us. I think that would help everybody and give them the confidence that yes, if you can, they can also.